I told you that saving £10,000 in 6 months on a completely normal UK salary is not only possible, it's actually simpler than you think? No second job, no cutting out every single luxury, no living off beans on toast for half a year. Just a system. A specific, repeatable system that most people in the UK have never been shown. And in the next 10 minutes, I'm going to give you that exact system, step by step, for free. But first, I need you to ask yourself something honestly. How much did you actually save last month? If that answer makes you uncomfortable, this video was made for you. Stay with me. By the end of this, everything changes. Welcome to Wealth AI, the channel where we combine the power of UK personal finance with cutting-edge AI tools to help you build wealth faster than you ever thought possible. If you're new here, hit subscribe right now because we drop a brand new video every single day. Finance strategies, AI tools, passive income, all designed specifically for people living and working in the UK. Here's exactly what we're covering today. Number 1. The brutal truth about why most UK people can't save. Number 2, the exact 3-account system I used. Number 3, the specific UK savings accounts and ISA strategy. And number 4, the weekly habit that took less than 10 minutes and made all the difference. Let's start with the uncomfortable truth. Here's why most people in the UK can't save money. And it's not what you think. It's not because you don't earn enough. It's not because the cost of living is too high. It's because nobody ever taught you the system. The rich don't save what's left. They save first and spend what's left. Read that again. Save first, spend what's left. Account 1, your fixed costs account. This is where your salary lands. From here, you pay only fixed essential bills: rent, council tax, utilities. Account 2, your savings vault. The moment your salary hits, you immediately transfer a fixed amount here before you pay a single bill. I suggest 20%. Account 3, your lifestyle account. Everything left goes here. This is for groceries, socializing, and clothes. Spend every penny here guilt-free. In month 1, I saved £680. By month 6, I crossed 10,000. Same salary, same life, different system. Now, where you put your savings matters. Step 1, open a cash ISA. Your money grows completely tax-free up to £20,000 a year. Step 2, use a regular saver account. Many UK banks offer rates of 7 to 8%. Max this out monthly and sweep the rest into your ISA. Step 3, build a 3-month emergency fund first. This is your financial safety net. Without it, one unexpected bill destroys everything. Tip 1, automate everything on payday. Set up standing orders. Don't rely on yourself to do it manually. Automate it and forget it. Tip 2, do a weekly 10-minute money review. Every Sunday, check your 3 accounts. This tiny habit creates enormous financial awareness. Tip 3, cancel 1 subscription a month. I guarantee you have 2 or 3 you forgot about. This is potentially hundreds back in your pocket. To save £10,000 in 6 months. Adopt the save first mindset. Set up your 3 accounts and automate your payday transfers. I'm Wealth AI. Hit the like button and subscribe for tomorrow's video on AI tools. Drop a comment below with your plan. This is just the beginning.